Great condo and complex with 24-hour gated security. Complex management on site. Condo is vacant, laminated wood floors throughout, stainless steel appliances, granite counters. Basketball courts, clubhouse-clubroom, common laundry, community room, elevator, exercise room, extra storage, kitchen facilities, pool, tennis. Landlord wants to see basic application with current/prior landlord contact information, 2 months of check stubs or POI, credit report, background check, not a police report. No minimum credit score required. $100 condo registration fees plus $1,000 refundable condo association security deposit. For complete detail of move-in funds required, please see attachments to this listing or call listing agent.